Snowstorm is pounding the Colorado mountains this morning for a second straight day, making travel pretty much treacherous. And if you haven't reached your Christmas destination yet, well, beware. CNN's Jennifer Gray has details on a storm that could slow you down.
Yeah, absolutely. The good news with this storm, though, Randy, is it's mainly going to be rain once it makes its way to the East Coast. It is snowing the Rockies, but we are expected to see mainly rain across the rest of the country. A lot of folks will just wake up to a messy Christmas day instead of a white Christmas, but we will see a couple of spots with a little bit of snow. Let's look at the radar. We are seeing some rain across the southeast, the mid-Atlantic. Tuesday's forecast could possibly see severe weather across the Gulf Coast. So if you are traveling, say from New Orleans through the Florida Panhandle, be careful. We're also looking at rain from Chicago on down through the Gulf. A little bit of snow around the Great Lakes. By Christmas Eve, the flurries extend all the way down to Oklahoma, possibly with a little bit of a mixture, of course, across the Great Lakes. If you are traveling on Christmas Eve, some of the airports that could give you trouble, LaGuardia, also D.C., Charlotte, Atlanta, could see a couple of slowdowns because of the rain. Also dealing with very gusty winds. We could see winds up to 30 miles per hour across some of the major cities, so that could also cause delays as well. Christmas Day actually pretty quiet. We are going to look at a couple of flurries across northern New England, but staying dry across the southeast, which is good news. We could see 6 to 8 inches of rain across the Panhandle, and then in the northeast we could see 1 to 2 inches, and that is through Wednesday, 1 to 3 in northern New England. The snow, not all that impressive. However, if you are waking up somewhere like Chicago, Marquette, we could see a white Christmas for you. So that will be something to enjoy. But look at these winds. We are going to see the possibility of winds reaching about 30 miles per hour as we go through the day on Tuesday into Wednesday. Look at Atlanta, 25-mile-per-hour winds, and then that's going to climb up the East Coast. Wednesday, 30-mile-per-hour winds in Philly, 23 in New York. So the rain combined with the wind, Randy, is going to make for a mess if folks are traveling tomorrow and Wednesday.